Hello all, I Professor Pooja Patel from TSSM Bhirabai 7 College of Engineering and Research Nare Pune. In this video, I am going to talk about the assignment of Laboratory Practice 2nd and that is related to the elective subject Software Testing and Quality Assurance. Assignment number is 7. Title of assignment is How to Automate the Test Cases and Generate the Test Report using a Selenium IDE. Learning objective behind this assignment is understand how to use Selenium IDE testing tool to automate the test cases and generation of test case report. Outcome will be after the completion of these assignments, students will able to use Selenium IDE testing tool to automate the test cases and generation of test report. Selenium IDE, some basic concept related to that. Selenium IDE is an integrated development environment for Selenium test. It is implemented as a Firefox extension and allows you to record, edit and replay the test in Firefox. Selenium IDE allows you to save test as HTML, Java, RubyScript or any other format. It allows you to automatically add assertion to all the pages. And the last one is it allows you to add cellness command as and when required. Recording a Selenium test case having the different steps. First one is you have to open the Firefox that has the IDE installed. Next, open the base URL of the application to record. Next, you have to keep the application in a common base state. Next one is you have to go to the tools that Selenium IDE and the IDE will be open. Next step is now you have to perform the operation on the application as you are testing that application. And last important step is once you are done with the recording, you have to click on the stop recording button and save the test case through the file menu. And by default, it will be saved as a Selenium script. It will be saved in HTML format. Commonly used Selenium IDE commands are first one is the open. That command is used to open a specified URL in the browser. Next is the command that is the asset title, verify the title. That command is used to return the current page title and compares it with the specified title. Next command is the set element present and verify element present, and that is used for verify and asserts the presence of an element on a page. Next command is the set text present and verify text present, and that will be used for verify and assert the presence of a text within the web page. Next important command is type keys, chain keys, and that is used for to enter a value in a specified web element. Next command is click add, click and wait, and these commands are used to specify the web element within web page. Now we will see actual demonstration of how to run the test cases in a Selenium IDE. For that purpose you require Mozilla Firefox. In that you have to open the Selenium IDE. So I am giving you example for our TSSM BSVR Moodle, and for that purpose I am designing a test cases and design text case for the login and the logout for the TSSM BSVR Moodle. So this is the screen for the Selenium IDE and the version is 3.17.0. So it's the four options: record a new test in a project, open an existing project, create a new project, close the Selenium IDE. So I am choosing the first one is the recording new test in a project. So the project name is TSSM Moodle. Fine. Next, just click on OK. Here is the one message is shown. Before you can start recording, you must specify the valid base URL for your project. So URL, when you enter a URL, it will be shown here the web page. So I am entering the web URL of our web pages, that is the TSSM BSVR Moodle is https lms dot tssm.edu.in. After that you have to click on a button of start recording, then your all the test script will be recording. What you are doing, it will be recorded in the Selenium IDE. So you have to start Selenium IDE recording. So here our web page open, that is our TSSM BSUR. Here I have to provide the username and password for the login. Next I have to provide the password also. Just you have to enter the login. Here is the for our library practice 2 section. After that I'm logging out and the closing the same window. And this will be recording in the Selenium IDE. So here all the recording is started. I have to stop the recording. Give the name for your test name. TSSM Moodle. Login and logout. I'm giving the name for my test. So what you have done is recording in your Selenium IDE. So first you have first entered the web page. After that you have provided the username and password. Here there is the option you can run all the test cases. You can run the particular test case. Before that I will just show you. You can add the test case from here. From I am giving a name as Google. So just add it. Here you have to provide the base address. So I am providing the base address of the Google. www.google.com. Here is a one table format that contains the command, target and value column. So here you have to enter the different command. For a particular web page I have to open. So I will put it as open and the web address of that web page, that is the URL .google.com. So like that you can insert a new command. So here I am giving one command as open again, that is www. Okay, for the gmail.com. So you can enter the value for that. You can enter the name, password as I have given you. So in this test pan, there are the two test cases, Google, and the second one is the TSSM Moodle and login and logout. You can run test case for the Google. After that you can run the test case for TSSM Moodle login and the logout page. So you can do it sequentially or the one by one. So here first I am running the entire all the test cases. Just look at that what happening, preparing to run test. It is automatically taken the username password. After that it automatically login into that page and after automatically log out. And the second one is for the Google. It also done it. Just look at here. So what happens in Selenium IDE window? For the TSSM Moodle and logo, we have run the test cases. For particular test case, here just in logging pan, just look at here. So what happened in this? If we have for the Google, it shows the OK. It shows the OK because you have successfully executed all the two test cases for the TSSM Moodle login logout and the second for the Google. So we have successfully executed all the test cases. So I will explain you command. This is the open. that will specify the URL in the browser. It will automatically open this. Second is the command set window size. This is the for target that we have set the window size for the our screen. Second is the type. In the type, it will interact with the web elements like a text box. You can enter the some values in the specified the web element. So this is my target that contains the username, and I have entered the specified value that is nothing but the my username. Second, as it is same for I have done for the password, and after that I have done with the link test is equal to logout and the login. It is used to identify the only web link and which is based upon the name of the link. So this is related to all the commands that are present in this table view. Second important thing is here is the test. It enters some exit some test suits also executing. What you are executing, it will be shown here. Here you can run all the test cases. From here you can run a particular test case. It contains some test execution speed also. Next one is here is the recording option. After this, you can save your project in this button. If you click on it, you can give a particular name, TSSM Moodle. So I have tested for many of the times. So just I'm giving a name for same as it is. From you here, you can create a new project. You can open a project, save. Next important thing is I have told you some features of the Selenium IDE that are you can Selenium IDE supports different programming languages. It can export in many programming languages like C, Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby. So you can just check on, and these exported script you will use as a in Selenium WebDriver and Selenium RC4. So these are the exporting type. So if you click on the right side, there is a inspect values. In this, you will show the all the source code of related that it contains the all the HTML tags. In the network, you will see the CSS. This is related to the all test cases. In the log, you will see the all the test execution. What you are doing is actually shown in the log pan in the reference that you are using the different commands. For example, in Google that you are using open, it will be shown here. Opens the URL and wait for the page that load before processing. So it will show as a reference. So the outcome of the assignment is that after this you will execute the particular test case for your project and you will run it. So you have to choose a web-based application. Thank you so much.